Hello, my name is Surya Chakraborty. Me and my friends were assigned to make a maths project on temperature of Ladakh and West Bengal in the last 5 years. So here's the project which was made by one of my friends, Swastik Bhattacharya. He was in our group. He is our group member. So here comes the main topic: comparison of minimum and maximum temperature in last 5 years in Ladakh and West Bengal. So here are the names of the group members: Swastik Bhattacharya, Soumya Palit, Somadip Devnath, Suraj Maharaj, and me, Surya Chakraborty, Surya Karmakar, and Yakshi Bagani. Here comes the credits that what we have done. It's also mentioned. So let us proceed with the project. Here at first in we see that the Indian map where West Bengal and Ladakh's position are plotted. We can see that Ladakh is plotted with pink color and West Bengal is plotted with green color. Now we come down and see the index of the full project. Here at first in the first page we can see the acknowledgement, introduction, maximum minimum temperatures of Ladakh in 5 years, minimum and maximum temperatures of West Bengal in last 5 years, and in the last the conclusion. Now we go with, at first we can see the acknowledgement. Here we actually express our special thanks and gratitude to our mathematics teacher and to our respected principal sir. Without them we would not able to do a lot of research on this project, and without them we could not be able to know new things about what we have learned while doing this project. This project also helped us to increase our teamwork and our understanding in our friend circle. So let us just proceed with all. Here comes the introduction. Ladakh is the union territory located in the highest altitude region in India, stretching from Kundun Mountains region in the north and main Himalayas to the south. Temperature ranges from 3 to 35 degrees Celsius in summers, and the minimum range is -20 to -35 in winter. And here we can see that because the Ladakh is situated in the Himalayan region, it has it is more it is in more altitude. So we actually learned that as much as we go high in the altitude, the temperature decreases, so that the density of the air also decreases. Then if we see about the West Bengal's comparison, West Bengal is situated in the eastern India, bottleneck of eastern India, stretching from Himalayas north to West Bengal to the Bay of Bengal. So we can find that Himalayas are also present in West Bengal. In Darjeeling, it is located in the northern part of West Bengal, which is Darjeeling, where part of Himalayas is also present. Now in the southern region of West Bengal, we can find that it is connected to the Bay of Bengal, and we see that West Bengal is a plain land. It is much lower than Ladakh, so it has less temperature. And if we proceed, we have also collected data from internet and made a graph of Ladakh of last 5 years variations. Here we can see that in 2016 the red bar shows the maximum temperature occurred in 2016 and the following years, and the blue bar shows the minimum temperature occurred in 2016 or the following years. So here in this graph the scale factor is one small box is considered as 1 unit. Okay, so here you can see that the minimum temperature is always at minus, so it is much colder. Now if we move down, we can see the details of the explanations of the graph which is present here. My friend have provided and my and we have also done on it, and here are the details of the graph that what we have plotted. Now now we go to the next graph where we see that West Bengal's maximum and minimum temperature, and here we find that the red line or the red bar shows the maximum temperature, but the blue bar shows the minimum temperature. But here we actually compare the two graphs and we find that the minimum temperature of West Bengal is always positive, means it is warmer than Ladakh. This is because of the geographical regions, which is the main factor of the of variations of our temperature, as well as we can also see that West Bengal is also situated in the than lower than Ladakh. Now we go to the detailed information. Now we have collected the information on the basis of the maximum minimum temperatures of last 5 years from West Bengal is that 2016 to 2020, so well as we have also collected the data of Ladakh from 2016 to 2020. Now we have also created graph which I have showed you all before. Now here comes the conclusion. By observing the graph, we have concluded that the geographical location of the state and union territory is directly related to the climatic conditions. I have said that before, that the geographical location is directly related to the changes in the climatic conditions. So the Ladakh is situated in a higher altitude, so it is much colder. West Bengal is situated in lower altitude, so it is much warmer than in respect to Ladakh. Now in West Bengal the temperature is always higher than Ladakh, and it's hot and humid. But in case of Ladakh, it is also known as the cold desert of India is Ladakh. Ladakh has a cold and a dry climate, means there is no humidity, zero humidity. It's always dry and cold. So here's the end of the project. Now I would like to introduce my group members what we have done. Now data collection was done by me, Swastik Bhattacharya and Suraj Maharaj, me Surya Chakraborty. PDF collection was done by Surya Karmakar, Yakshi Bagani, then explanation by Somya Palit, Somodip Devnath. Somodip Devnath also helped me to while making the script of this video. So then the graph making was mainly done by Suraj. He also helped us to find the data, and we also helped him to make the graphs. And the other works means making the group well organized, and other jobs, decoration, designs were done by Yakshi and me and Swastik Bhattacharya. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked our project. We had done a very hard work while doing this project, and we are also thankful to you all that we have got this opportunity to get this project, and we have learned a lot of things from this project. So thank you. Goodbye.